Good morning, students. We are going to start with the first lesson of our class, that is fundamental of computer. So see in your book first what is a computer. It is given what is a computer. A computer is an electronic device that runs on electricity. Its functions are according to instruction called program. It has the ability to store, retrieve and process data. You can use computer to type document, send email and surf the internet. Okay, so computer is called as an electronic machine because it runs on electricity. It is called as electricity. So and computer runs on the instructions and the program that we give. Okay. So there are many characteristics of a computer. A computer is an electronic device that can perform several tasks at a time, which is called multitasking. For example, playing game while typing a letter. Several tasks means computer can do one work, two work, three work at a time. Suppose either you are doing your typing and you can listen to the music. You can play game and you can listen to the music. So there are many characteristics of a computer. That is speed, efficiency, storage, reliability, versatility, no IQ, no feeling. That speed means it can process data at a speed of more than 50 million instructions per second. Okay, so computer works very fast. Efficiency. A computer is efficient and it does not get tired after continuous use. Okay, so we are doing our work on computer. Computer never gets tired, but we get tired when we are doing. Then third one is storage. A computer has a capacity to store large amount of data either through inbuilt or external storage device. External storage device or inbuilt storage device. You can store many things in your computer. Reliability. It is quite trustworthy as it can perform various operations without any mistake. Okay, computer does not make mistake. Any mistake is done through ourselves. Versatility. We can use the computer to perform completely different types of work at the same time. No IQ. The computer does not work without instruction. And no feeling means the computer does not have any emotion or feeling. Then use of a computer. Computer plays an important role. Computer plays an important role. They have many special and useful features. Hence, they are used in different fields. A few used are listed below. Just see in your book. You can store a lot of data in your computer. Okay. You can store a lot of data. You can draw pictures and you can solve mathematical problems. You can play games and you can listen to music or you can see videos in your computer. Then parts of a computer. A computer system. A computer is a system of many software and hardware components working together. The most common hardware in our desktop computer systems are as follows. That is CPU. CPU is also called as Central Processing Unit. The CPU is a combination of the internal part of a computer such as motherboard, memory and processor. It is oftenly referred as to the brain. It is often referred to as the brain of a computer. So CPU is also called as a brain of a computer. So whatever things are there in a CPU, that is motherboard, hard disk, RAM, all these many different parts that consist of one CPU. So it is a main box of a computer. So it is called as a brain of a computer. Second one is monitor. Monitor is similar to the television screen, hence it is also called as screen. It is an output device. It displays the result of data entered through input device like the mouse and the keyboard. It is also used for viewing web page, photograph and videos. Okay, monitor is called as an output device. See, whatever work you do, whatever work we do on your computer is seen on the monitor. Either you are playing game, either you are watching videos, you are listening to music, or you are doing your typing work, or you are doing your painting work. Understood? Okay, clear? Clear everybody? Okay. And third part is keyboard. Okay. The keyboard is an input device. It allows you to type text or send commands to a computer. The computer keyboard has keys with numbers and letters on it. It is used for typing letters or stories and to perform mathematical operations, etc. Okay, so you have seen the picture of a keyboard. There are small keys on your keyboard with different names on your keys. That is, there are alphabet keys, number keys, function keys. Okay, so all these keys are used to type words, letters or any type of work in your computer. Okay, then fourth one is mouse. Okay, the mouse is an input device which is connected to the computer by a cable. So you all have seen mouse. So mouse is having a long tail, that is cable. It is connected to CPU. Mouse causes a pointer or cursor to appear on the screen. When you have a mouse attached to your CPU, you can see one pointing device, that is screen on your screen. One arrow will be there, one blinking line will be there, that is called as mouse pointer. A mouse is used to point and select a text and also to click on a link on a web page. To ensure smoother functioning, it can be placed on the mouse pad. Okay, to run your mouse smoothly and nicely, it must be placed on your mouse pad. Understood? Okay, so that is the work of a mouse. Then just we'll see the main functions of a mouse. See, in your book the pictures are given with your fingers on your mouse, how you have to hold your mouse, and the two buttons are there, either on each side, that is left side and right side, and then one wheel is there, that is called as scroll wheel. Okay, that is called as scroll wheel. So there are many different functions, that is single click, double click, drag and drop and right click. Okay, समझ में आएगा? सिंगल क्लिक मीन्स एक बार में क्लिक करोगे तो वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप, यू कैन जस्ट ड्रैग, क्लिक ऑन दैट थिंग एंड यू कैन जस्ट press your mouse and take anywhere on your screen and you can just drop there. Double click means you want to start any of your program which is there on your desktop, just give a double click of your mouse button, it will start your program. Then right click, just you have to right click and press the right button and then release it with the middle finger. Okay, then it goes to do your work nicely which are there on your screen. Right click displays a list of command related to the items on your screen. Okay, understood? Then the other parts of a computer is printer. Down you can see a printer is an output device used to print document and pictures on a paper. Printer is called as an output device. See, anything we want to print on paper, we need printer. So printer, you get the result on a paper through printer. So printer is called as an output device. The data from a computer printed on a paper is called hard copy. Okay, so the data which you take a printout on your paper, it's called as an hard copy. So there are different types of printer. You can see the pictures on your book of different types of printer. Okay, so the types of printers are, that is impact dot matrix printer, impact printer used to set a closely spaced pin and a ribbon to print letters or other character on a page. Okay, dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet printer, then plotter and label printer. Okay, so all these are the different types of printer. You can take a printout on your paper. Okay, understood or not? Clear? Okay, very good.